Yes, guys, we are talking about Olok. Its English name is wild Indian grape. So, wild Indian grape belongs to the family called Vitaceae, and the preparatory method is it is eaten directly. So, when you take like this part of the fruit, so the black one are ready. So I eat it direct like this. It's high in vitamin C and citric acid. We all know the benefits of vitamin C. So Olok is a kind of climbing plant. This is one of the dead trunk of Olok. It climbs on the tree. So this is it. As you can see, it is climbing. So Olok is the taste is somehow. The Acholi people call it Olok. The Iteso people call it Tamanima. The Alur also call it Olok. Now, the taste of Olok is not typically sweet. It is bitter. It is sour sweet. So it is not typically a favorite fruit to most people. But the only advantage is when you're from the garden, coming back from the garden, and you meet Olok, you will not pass without picking, because you will be very hungry and want something at least in your stomach. That's why Olok is very good. Thanks for watching the video. We still have more fruits to explore in this wild. So subscribe and you will get the videos.